MRO and engineering professionals are at the heart of aviation safety and performance. At GOOSE Recruitment, we're here to guide you through the hiring process. This video will answer some of the most common questions we receive from candidates like you. What types of MRO and technical services roles do you recruit for? We help airlines, MROs, and OEMs around the world find top technical talent, from licensed engineers and A&P mechanics to CAMO specialists and senior leaders. Whether it's hands-on maintenance or strategic planning, we connect the right people to the right roles. What qualifications or licenses do I need to apply? Most engineering roles require a valid EASA, UKCAA, or FAA Part 66 license or the equivalent, alongside relevant type ratings or approvals. Additional certifications such as human factors, fuel tank safety, and recent type-specific experience are often needed as well. Do I need to have a type rating to apply? Type ratings on specific aircraft, such as the A320, B737, or ATR, are preferred for many roles. However, some employers do provide type training. If you're in the process of gaining a type rating or planning to, we can advise you on which aircraft types are most in demand. Do you recruit for CAMO and continuing airworthiness roles? Yes, we recruit for CAMO engineers, airworthiness review staff, and technical services positions. These roles require strong regulatory knowledge and experience working with Part M, Part CAMO, or Part 145 frameworks. Can I work internationally through GOOSE Recruitment? Many of our clients operate globally and welcome international candidates. In some cases, we can assist with visa sponsorship, license validation, and relocation support, depending on the role and employer. What documents do I need to apply? You'll typically need your CV, licenses and certificates, proof of type ratings, recent experience documentation such as logbooks or authorizations, your passport, and relevant safety training certificates. How can I make my application stand out? Clearly highlight your licenses, type ratings, and recent experience. Tailor your CV to the role, focusing on your technical skills, safety record, and any specialist expertise. Make sure all your documentation is up to date and easy to access. Will GOOSE Recruitment help me prepare for technical interviews? Yes. Our consultants will support you with interview preparation, covering typical questions, technical assessments, and what employers are looking for, so you can confidently present your skills and experience. At GOOSE Recruitment, we're committed to supporting MRO and technical services professionals throughout every stage of their career journey. If you're ready for your next role, visit our website or speak with one of our consultants today.